In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Bank of China account, guiding you through the process step by step. So let's dive right in and get you set up with your new account. First and foremost, what you'll want to do is navigate to the Bank of China's official website. Having a reliable internet connection and a device, whether it's a computer or smartphone, will make this process much smoother. Once you're on the site's homepage, you'll see various tabs across the top. Your first task is to decide what type of account you're interested in opening. You have two main options here: corporate banking or personal banking. Let's break these choices down a bit to make it easier for you. If you're considering a corporate banking account, you'll find categories like corporate financing, trade services, corporate financial services, RMB settlement services, corporate savings, and other related services. It's all about what best fits your business needs. Each of these categories has numerous subcategories designed to cater to specific aspects of corporate banking. This could include anything from managing your business's liquidity to handling international trade efficiently. On the other hand, if a personal banking account is more in line with what you're looking for, you'll come across categories such as personal savings, personal loans, personal wealth management, personal exchange, and a few additional services. Similar to corporate banking, these categories have subcategories that cater to various personal financial needs. Whether you're looking to save for the future, obtain a loan, or manage your personal wealth, there are tailored options available. Once you've decided which kind of account you want to open and have clicked on the relevant subcategory, you'll be directed to a new webpage. Here, you'll find a wealth of information to assist you in your application process. The page is quite thorough, providing an introduction to the service, details on its features, the intended target customers, and importantly, the process you need to follow. Additionally, make sure to pay close attention to the required identity documents section. This part will outline precisely what official identification you'll need to have ready, which is crucial for a smooth application. Lastly, the page will include some helpful reminders specific to the service you are applying for. These tips are designed to ensure that everything is in order and to prevent any hitches in your application process. Remember to take your time to go through each section carefully to fully understand what's required and how to proceed. By following these steps, you're well on your way to setting up your Bank of China account efficiently and without hassle. Thanks for joining me today, and I hope you found this guide helpful as you embark on setting up your new banking account.